Few days ago, we went for swimming. There, this happened.
Alright guys, the thing is that everything is here messed up because I just changed the CPU, alright, and everything is messed up and my GoPro is totally damaged, and we are going to pick it up and see what happens.
I was really worried, so I started finding someone who can fix it. I found about Khan Camera Multan.
So this is what happened to the GoPro. You see here, you can see this is what happened to the GoPro.
So I gave it to him, but he couldn't solve the problem, and I got worried again. So I started looking again for the guy who can fix it. Then I found out this guy.
Okay, so this one is all good. I'm so happy right now.
Now my GoPro is literally good, but the battery on risk. So I'm avoiding using it with that battery.